Everything sprouts from the land. Energies, fatigue, passion. It's a tiring, hard work. It's a daily challenge to face with courage and determination. It's time that marks these challenges and values our efforts, day by day, drop by drop. Teamwork, collaboration and commitment allow the achievement of every goal. There are no stops. Holding up is the only thing that matters. In every situation, even in the most extreme conditions, it's key to choose an ally that can guarantee you maximum efficiency throughout time. PETRONAS Arbor is the lubricants range for tireless agricultural machinery and construction equipment, developed to prompt a longer life cycle. PETRONAS Arbor for tireless machinery.